Yeah, we are live. Marcus Body Coding Live. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? First, watch for yourself. The move, heel, fine. Let's go. Once again. Yeah. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Yeah, let's do it together. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go with the left. We put the heel, step to the back, and step. Heel, step, and tap to the side. Heel, step, and step. Heel, step, tap. Again, heel, step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step again. Heel, step, tap. Heel, step on the balls of the feet, and step back. Heel, step, tap. Once again, with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Some would call it heel, ball, change. Yeah. And now heel, step, tap. Heel, ball, change. Heel, step, tap. With the count last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Amazing work. Yeah. This is the move, heel 5. And I just remind you, these are universal moves, so you can do them during hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, or any other kind of dance that you want. But wait, you're still here? Let's do another practice. Yeah, now face to face. I want to see you. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, in a mirror. Working on your makeup and practicing, of course. Are you ready? Let's go. Heel 5. Again with the left. Starting with the left. You ready? Let's go. Heel, step to the back and step. Heel, step and tap. Heel, step to the back and step. Heel, step, tap. Again. Heel, step, step. Heel, step, tap. Heel, step, step. Heel, step, tap. Now, let's add a drop. We can drop with the body and also with the hands to the sides. Let's try together. Slow. Let's go. We'll do that on 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Drop. 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 Another tip here. You can do a very simple drop. Just all the body, pop. Yeah, it also looks good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, drop. Drop all the body from the hips. And if you're a little bit more comfortable with your body, you can add a wave. You can add a wave up and drop. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, wave, drop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's the move. And a little bit extra. Yeah, Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, hip hop. By the way, salsa on one and on two. Yeah, because you can do the step with the right or with the left. It doesn't matter also if you do the women's steps or the men's steps, because you can again do that with the right and with the left. Amazing or not amazing? Either way, do this in today's party. Yes, in today's party. Whatever party it may be. And if you forget the move, remember you can get to the pocket, take your phone, maybe your second phone, and practice with me with this video. Yeah! Then go back to the center of the party and do the move. Yeah! And if you want to keep practicing this move right now with me in the studio, I just have that link for you. Check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you are on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, Heel 5. And jump with me to the studio to practice, to get this move inside your bones so you would not be able to forget it. It's where we practice until we cannot get it wrong. Yes, this is what we do in the studio. So make sure to do it today. Why today? Good question. Yeah, because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Recording Live. So let's see you tomorrow with a new footwork.